What's up guys, you're watching the Situ, and if you're new in my channel, don't forget to subscribe and like. Today our topic is PlayStation 5 error, and the error is NP-103148-7. There was an issue when connecting your PlayStation 4 console to the internet. It's a PSN network error, and I'm just going to share my screen on my left side and show you how to fix this. And here we are at the screen. Go to the settings and then user and account. You must check your PSN account is logged in or not, and check the login setting, your console is logged in or not. And here is you just checking this one options automatically, and then go to the network and go to the view PlayStation network services. Sometimes the server is down, so when you're working on the updates and doing maintenance, that's why you get this. If the server is not working, you just wait, Sony will fix this up automatically. If the server is working good, then you have a local internet problem, so you must contact with the local internet provider or fix your own. And here is go to the settings back. Here is the settings and network settings, and set up a new connection. You just go to the advanced settings or frequency settings if you're using a Wi-Fi, and if you're using a wide LAN, you just do the same. Here is the DNS settings, primary DNS, secondary DNS. Manually you can set it and change it, the codes, and empty your setting 1500 is good. So simply that's how you can fix this kind of internet error or a PSN connection error is not working. So if you want to ask me a question, then leave a comment in the comment box. See you soon for the next one.